According to the custom and tradition of Umudiani, anyone who kills a person must kill himself. Prince Chidebere, of all the things you are, you have also become a killer. So today, it's my honor to ask you to kill yourself.
Yes. You must kill yourself to appease the blood you took.
You prepared what killed Udumelu. We have prepared what will kill you. And you must drink it before us.
You must stop this.
Stop this now!
He can't stop it for he knows the tradition of Umudiani. You must drink this before us.
Yes. We are prepared to make you drink it honorably and die. Read our lips. You must die today to appease the blood of Udumelu. Exactly.
Bagenwa.
Drink, my prince. Drink and die.
Drink and die. Drink and die. Drink and die.
I will not drink what will kill me. Never!
Drink and die.
Drink and die. Drink and die. Drink and die.
Unfortunately, your remains will not even be buried in Umudiani. You are going to be thrown into the evil forest as the one who has killed another and be forgotten.
We are betrayed by the hands that
The time has come for the forces that keep watch over Umudiani to rise. The maidens of Umudiani are very sacred to us because they are the future mothers of the warriors and the Umuada of Umudiani. Will you all sit and watch the useless son of a man who will not act like a king continue to desecrate the sacredness of our maidens without any repercussion? Chances are that if that is allowed to happen, maidens of Umudiani will take their destiny in their hands. Umudiani will go up in flames, and I do not want that to happen. So I am calling on all the forces of Eke, Warrior, Afo, and Demfo to rise with all the totality of their powers to do something. Stop this before it becomes too late.
My prince, you are welcome. Indeed, you are a man sent by the gods. Thank you. Thank you, Dalu.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome. You see, from where this is coming, there are more. I love your daughter so much, and I promise to do so much for her.
Oh.
Yes.
My prince, you will live longer than your enemies.
You see?
You will live longer than your ancestors ever
You
did.
see?
And everything you do on earth, you will succeed, my prince.
You see?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your prayers. Eh?
My prince.
Coin.
My prince. My prince.
This is just the beginning.
My prince. All this for me.
Yes. Some coin, eh?
My prince. Coins. Oh, my prince.
Mm?
Oh.
Thank you so much, my friends.
You're welcome, my darling.
Ada, go help your husband. It's already yours. It's already yours. Why are you shy? Come. Go help your husband. Don't be shy. I don't be scared. My prince. Ada. Hug him very well. This union is blessed, my prince.
Thank you.
You are blessed.
Thank you.
So I'm going to become the mother of the queen of this great kingdom.
Exactly.
Hey!
Exactly.
Gods of our lands, I find favor in your side. I don't hug him very well. He's your husband. Why are you shy? Hey! I don't.
What is this? Eh? What is this? What?
Prince, is everything okay?
What are you doing here and how come you're my body?
My prince, I enjoyed every bit of you.
What are you talking about? What are you doing here?
I do not understand. Did you have a nightmare?
Yes, a terrible one at that. And you are in it, lying on my chest. Please, get up.
Prince, you must be joking.
Hey, what are you doing? Leave my... Get out now. Just get out. Get out. Get out.
Hey, Prince, are you
I said
okay?
get out. Are you questioning the prince?
No, my prince,
Get out. I said get out. Get out.
I'm sorry, my
Get
prince.
out. Get out. Just one night, and you already want to take over. What about the rest?
I cooked for him. He told me he did not want to eat what the cook made. So I made dinner. He enjoyed it. We went to bed. And he woke me up to this. I do not understand. Does he sleepwalk? Is this an incident?
We'll talk about this later.
I do not understand. I do not understand anything.
Adora, you cannot understand. I can't explain it. I want to talk about this, but
Not this morning. Tell me, what are you going to have for breakfast?
I'm not hungry.
I can get the maidens to get it ready.
Food is not my problem. Why would he break my heart like this?
Adora, you will not understand it. Unless someone explains it to you. I said I would discuss this, but not this morning.
You know, I'm trying so hard to understand what you're still doing here.
My prince.
Why are you talking back at me? Are you that dumb?
What?
What part of I do not want to see you here again do you not understand?
That is it. I do not understand anything. I'm confused. What did I even do wrong to you?
It's not about what you did wrong. It's about the fact that I have gotten what I wanted from you and now you are completely useless to me.
Is that it? Is that why you...
Why what I told your mother? So, you think because I was nice to your mother, then I must have automatically paid your bride price. That goes a long way to say you are unwise. Yes. Run. Run. Ugly maiden.
Let me get this right. Are you saying that I should order my son, the heir to the throne of my father, to bond himself with a woman that he doesn't want?
I am saying you should call your son to order. I want you to be his father for once. Speak to his conscience.
You already told me he has gifted the mother of this maiden.
I don't get it, father. Are you saying he should molest the maiden because he gifted the mother?
You must be careful with the kind of words you choose before me. What do you mean molest? Did he force himself on the maiden? She came all the way to the palace by herself and functioned as a woman. And if the prince said that he is no longer interested in her, that settles it.
Father, you are the same person who lay hands on people saying you're blessing them. Why are you sounding this way?
Madiche, there are so many ways to the powers of a king. If you finally grow into a woman, you will understand this.
Oh, please, Father. I am not a child. Stop calling me a child. I am now a woman. And I know that what you're doing is wrong.
I need a moment alone, Madiche. A moment alone.
I love your daughter so much. And I promise to do so much for her.
Oh.
Yes.
My prince, you will live longer than your enemies. You will live longer than your ancestors ever did. And everything you do on earth, you will succeed, my prince. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your prayers.
Go home, your husband. Don't be shy. I don't be scared. My prince.
Anwele ife ọgwara gị ijiri kwete soro ya. Anwele ka o si gwa gị ya o jiri sọkasị ya gị arụ. Ọnụ ya bụ shuga, okwu ya bụ honey. Ma ndị na-ezigbo anya ọfụma ifo na ọbụ nwa eze. Isi wezi bụ shuga, isi apụrụ chi bụ honey. But when you reason I'm finished, ifo na ọbụ nwa eze. You go know say na to the to run every woman's dream.
What changed? Why did he throw me out like that? Why?
Princess, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine.
Have this.
What for? I mean, what is the money for?
I don't know exactly what it is. I just want to see if I can make you happy.
My heart is shattered. Money is not what I need right now.
I know it's none of my business. Based on what happened last night. Try and get some medicine from the herbalist today. That is what this money is for. I don't want anything to go wrong. And a maiden from this land is deeply hurt.
My princess, I'm deeply hurt. Why is your brother heartless? What did I do to deserve this?
And here she comes. The one who has captured the heart of the prince. The one I can proudly call the most beautiful maiden in Umudiana. Nelechaba Nimweloya. Yeah? I don't care if the other maidens are jealous. Ibu Nni Ndeze. You are beautifully crafted for the high and mighty. And I'm happy. You are mine, eh?
My prince, you do not cease to flatter me. I'm indeed a lucky woman.
You are blessed amongst women. Hey, let's get out of here to somewhere nice so I can make you happy. Okay?
My prince.
Come. Eh? My love.
For how long will his mischievousness going to end?
Iche, my father will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
Iche, you have refused to take kola nut. Can you at least sit and accept a cup of water?
Princess Madishe, I am here to speak with the king. Once I am done, I will be leaving. Kola nut is the least of my worries now.
Nzakonobi, you are the reason my rest was interrupted.
My princess, please leave us.
Why are you sending the princess out? As long as what you intend to say has no connection with the masquerade, I want you to go ahead and speak.
Oh yes, I am Nzakonobi, and I am the one who came into the palace to see the king. I know exactly what I want to say, and I can confirm they are not for the ears of the princess.
I'll leave now, my king.
Decent princess you have.
Now the princess is gone. Can you now speak?
Oh yes, I am going to be very blunt in what I want to say. Because as it is clear now that diplomacy has lost the flair of compromise. Call your son, the prince, to order.
This again. Nzakonobi, learn how to stay off the way of young men.
Your Majesty, I cannot stay off his way because he has to be called to order. And the responsibility of calling him to order rests on your shoulders. Do that urgently. Let him understand the rules of royalty before the spirits of our forefathers will make a statement unexpectedly.
Mze Akonobi, get out of my house.
This is the house where the ancient Ofo of Umudiana is kept. Any house where that Ofo is actually the Obi of our forefathers. You cannot ask me out of this place and you cannot send me out. You know it.
Mze Akonobi, by any means are you daring me?
Oh yes, show me that kingdom where nobody can dare their king. And I will show you a kingdom that is destined for doom.
By that submission, you are indirectly admitting that you are daring me.
Don't just say I'm not daring you. Among all the things I do, even my enemies will bear me witness that I always respect constituted authorities. I am not daring you. I just want you to call your son to order. Teach him again the rules of royalty before he will come face to face with something that is mightier than him. You may not like it, Your Majesty.
This man has remained the problem I have in council. How can a man become so bold that he will never be afraid of anyone? I have tried to kill you twice and failed. If you force me to try the third one, you will not survive it.
My prince, that was great.
What is that? Get out.
My prince, what do you mean?
I said get out. We're done. Leave my hut.
My prince.
Don't make me push you. Do not make me drag you. Leave my hut now. I said get out. Get out of my hut now.
My prince, please. Oh, okay.
Get out. Out.
You just... Please. I'm sorry. You said I'm your queen.
You. And here she comes. The one who has captured the heart of the prince. The one I can proudly call the most beautiful maiden in Umudiana. Nelechaba Nimweloya. Yeah? I don't care if the other maidens are jealous. Ibu Nni Ndeze. You are beautifully crafted for the high and mighty. And I'm happy. You are mine, eh?
My prince, you do not cease to flatter me. I'm indeed a lucky woman.
You are blessed amongst women. Hey, let's get out of here to somewhere nice so I can make you happy. Okay?
My prince. So, did he actually make me happy? No way! This is not happening to me. No! No!
How long will this madness continue?
What do you think you're doing? Where are you going to without answering my question?
What nonsense question do you expect me to answer? Why do you always dabble in my affairs? Have I ever concerned myself with anything that has to do with you? Why don't you leave me alone?
You think you're God? You call yourself heir to the throne, but look at what you're doing to the maidens of this kingdom.
My maidens. My maidens. Never forget that.
Nze Konobi already said it. And I see it happening. One day you will run mad on the account of what you're doing to the maidens of this kingdom.
Let this be the last time you ever stand before me and make reference to what that fool says. One day I will harvest time. And when I do, that day will be his last on this land.
I pray it is not too late by the time he understands what he is doing.
You work too hard.
My prince, you should not be seen doing this. Please don't do it. You are the coming king of Umudiani kingdom. Seeing you carrying a maiden's basket is a sin.
Please, I beg you. Don't bother yourself with those useless rules that holds no room for love. I love you everything in me. There's no way I will sit and watch you suffer. Okay?
My prince, how can you say it's suffering? It's not suffering. Harvesting vegetable and selling for my mother is not suffering. It's something I love doing every Eke market days. And it's part of me.
And then I stepped in. I'm going to continue helping you. Alright? You're my best. You're my best. And I'll make sure you're fine all the time. Come.
My prince, I'm not comfortable.
You have to be comfortable. Don't bother yourself
People
with
might
that.
see us.
People? I don't care about people. Let's go.
My prince, people might see us.
Nobody, it's not a problem. Let's go. Don't bother yourself
Are you
with that.
sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Wokinabo,
Which is my princess?
where is your prince?
He's not around. In fact, he's not in the palace.
When did that start? He's not in the palace and you're not with him?
My princess, I only tried to advise him as a brother. But he got angry and ordered me to stay here.
Advise him as a brother? What does that mean?
My princess, I'm getting worried with what he's doing with the maiden of this land. I feel the prince is losing himself. So I tried to talk to him and he flared up.
Thank you. Thank you for speaking up. I appreciate. We'll talk about this later.
Ne. It was nice doing business with you,
I don't get it. Are you leaving?
No, I'm coming. What don't you understand? I mean, we are done now. Yes, we are done. You go your way, I go my way.
You're done with me? After prophesying love?
Eh?
Okay, were you joking when you said you love me? My prince! My prince, I'm talking to you. Are you leaving just like that?
No, how am I supposed to leave again?
After all this love that you just prophesied here.
You're a very cheap girl.
Chukwaju, I'm not cheap. What are you doing? Hi! My prince, are you leaving me? What have I done? With all the stress that I passed through there, how can you just leave me like that? I hope nobody saw us. Nana Cherukwao, am I that cheap like he said? Mbakwao, Chukwaju. Hi. Hey, what did I just do? How can I allow myself to be deceived? Jenwao. Jenwao, how can you do this to yourself? Jeez. Chimo. Hey, am I that cheap?
Do something. Please, father. Stop this. Stop him.
Do what exactly, Madiche? Your brother is becoming a man. He's a man.
You do not understand. He is hurting people.
He has not killed anyone. Focus on yourself. Get married and get out of my house.
Did you just say that to me?
Stop provoking me by insulting your brother, who is the coming king. Get out!
Utom. Obiangele akom. Adam.
My prince.
You know you always make me happy. Huh?
Thank you, my prince. That reminds me. I have a surprise for you.
A surprise for me? Alright, let's go inside so you can give it to me.
No.
Eh?
Not that.
What is it?
For some time now, I've not been feeling well. So this morning, I went to see Ngwama, the woman of the gods. She examined me thoroughly and told me that I'm with a child. Yes, my prince.
You're with a child? How? You're pregnant?
Yes, my prince, I'm pregnant.
So who's responsible?
My prince, I don't understand. You and I know I do not have any other man in my life except you. The pregnancy is yours.
So you're telling me at this age you do not know how to take care of yourself? You're now the weapon fashioned against me. May the gods that protect this palace not allow you.
My love, why are you saying this?
Why am I saying this? If you don't get out of this palace now, you see what is bigger than this pregnancy. Get out! Get out! Idiots! Useless girl! Foolish girl! Why would you get pregnant?
The time has come for the forces that keep watch over Umudiani to rise. The maidens of Umudiani are very sacred to us because they are the future mothers of the warriors and the Umuada of Umudiani. Will you all sit and watch the useless son of a man who will not act like a king continue to desecrate the sacredness of our maidens without any repercussion? Chances are that if that is allowed to happen, maidens of Umudiani will take their destiny in their hands. Umudiani will go up in flames, and I do not want that to happen. So I am calling on all the forces of Eke, Warrior, Afo, and Nkwo to rise with all the totality of their powers to do something. Stop this before it becomes too late.
Let me get this right. You walked into the palace, you opened your legs for a man who's not yet your husband, and you are telling me that you are pregnant for him. And you want me to believe you?
Your Majesty, I am telling you the truth. I cannot come before you and lie.
Now, listen to me carefully. If you have made mistake, do not bring it here. Handle it.
Your Majesty, I am not lying to you. I am carrying his child.
That child has nothing to do with this palace. Now get out.
But Your Majesty...
I said get out! My father treated me harshly. He never allowed me enjoy myself. I will not allow the same fate meet my son.
When the thought of evil is ruling.
So, my sister, women are really going through a lot these days. We have to be careful. Anyway, who is this man that you have been talking to? Chinelo. Chinelo. Chinelo.
Sister, you startled me.
What is wrong with you? Who is this man that is making you behave like this?
Sister, it's a secret. You meet with him when he comes for introduction.
I will meet with him when he comes for introduction. Will I have to wait that long? What is his name?
Sister, you meet with him soon. Do not worry.
Really? Chinelo, I'm your sister. You can't tell me anything.
Obiora, I need you to tell me the truth. Yes, brother to brother. Did you offend any woman somewhere?
Why are you asking me that? Am I a violent person that goes around offending women?
Obina, I'm not talking about violence here. Neither am I saying you are a violent person.
So why are you asking me if I've offended any woman anywhere?
I need to ask because people are not saying it, Obiora. Eh? I need to ask because there is loose ends to everything that is happening to you lately. Look at you. People may not be seeing it, but I am close to you and I am seeing it and something is wrong.
Jeku, I need you to listen to me because I'm going to say this once. I am fine.
You are not.
I am fine.
You are never fine. Never. All right, tell me. When was the last time you had a relationship with a woman? Yes. How did it end? I'm listening.
Jeku, if your real intention is you wanting me to discuss my personal life with you, that will not work.
There is a mystic woman tormenting your life. I am saying it. Why don't you want to answer this simple question so that I can unmask who she is?
Jeku, there is no mystic woman anywhere. Please. Please.
Father, I'm so blessed by the gods to have the most understanding father in the world. Thank you for all you do.
The prayer of every man is to have a son who is a man by every definition of that word. I'm so happy that my son is a man.
Father, when I finally succeed you as king of Umudiana, I will improve on all the beautiful legacies you've laid behind.
Oh, good to hear.
Who is he that looketh, and the eyeballs push out? What is that thing that has captured the interest of the rat that he does not even know that fire is about to burn the ear?
Nzenzakonobi, I've ignored you for too long. Why have you refused to ignore me? I am the king of Umudiani. I can rule without distractors like you. Why will you not leave me alone?
The throne of Umudiani is for good men. Blessings of the gods and the ancestors should be flowing from that throne.
And who told you the blessings are not flowing from here?
There are so many things you may decide to do, you careless son of Umudiani. Challenging me face to face must never be one of them. You may ask your father who is seated here, and he will confirm to you that I am the only man of Umudiani who Abasisa can never penetrate.
There he goes again. Always speaking in parables. Father, I lost my appetite.
In one short sentence, what are you doing here?
Your Majesty, under your watch, maidens of Umudiani who are supposed to be your maidens, future mothers of Umudiani who should be the future mothers of the warriors of this land are being desecrated by your son. Ajane, the mother earth, is boiling. Onyeze, do something before it becomes too late.
Get out.
When the evil is on the throne, when the thought of evil is ruling, in the hills,
It's obvious he's hungry.
swallows light, taking the pride, now begs for more. A broken throne What have we done? Guinea kind of we are betrayed by the hand that's supposed to save us.
I'm sorry, my prince. I was just sweeping.
Sorry for what? No, you don't need to be sorry. Huh? Bring it back again.
Chidebere!
I'm sorry, my dear. You can go.
Thank you, my princess.
She can go where? Go where? You're beginning to cross your boundaries. Stay out of my business.
The gods will bear me witness that I have tried everything possible to pull you out of your evil. When your evil finally gets a hold of you, blame only yourself.
It is you evil will get hold of. It is you evil will get hold of. You see how you mess my view up? What nonsense? Eh? Look at that beautiful buttocks now. Look at that. How come I have not noticed that buttocks in this? Ah! That's my next target.
So, you still won't tell me his name?
Sister, calm down. You'll meet him soon. Just allow me to leave. I know he's waiting for me.
Must you go to his house? Chinelo, that is not our tradition in Umudiani. A maiden must not go to a man's house that has not paid her bride price.
Do you actually feel I have time for pretense? Maidens have been going down with men that catch their fancy. We even see some became pregnant.
And that is what you want for yourself? Chinelo, you must not be doing the wrong thing because others are doing. Do you even know the name of the family that brought you into this world?
Thank you for your advice. But I must go where I have decided to go.
Our maidens have killed morality. And they are not even aware.
Just look at the complete work of the gods. Eh? You know, from the moment I saw you coming from the market the other day, I knew you were the one for me. Look at what the gods give to one person.
Please stop it. You flatter me too much.
Why would you say that? That I, the prince, heir to the throne of Umudiani, is talking from his heart. And you think that's flattery? No, I don't flatter. I am saying the facts.
What will I say? Thank you very much.
You're welcome, beautiful one. Eh? Okay now, boy. You may continue to wear your long face, but I do not care. You are my guard and will continue to be a guard in this palace.
You called my prince. I am at your service.
As you can see, I have a beautiful guest. I want you to fetch me the best of palm wine. But before you do that, tell the maidens to prepare something sumptuous for this beautiful maiden.
Consider it done.
Honestly, you make an excellent king. Your sense of command is simply on another level.
simply on another level. You know, if you play your part well, you will stand next to me as my queen when I become king. I know you are excited. Eh? You want to be queen? I know. You want to be queen. You will become the queen. Eh? Alright, go into that hut. Prepare yourself for the prince to come on board. Erie nke nnukwu, erie nke obele.
Is approaching, but when you reason I'm finished. If you gonna say.
Why have you continued to say you love me, yet you've refused to come visit me at the palace?
Will you because of that say I do not love you?
No, but at least you can come and show to me that you really love me. Something tells me you're a good singer. I'd love to hear you sing. I would love to confirm it.
I can sing for you here, my prince.
Come on. Why are you sounding like a child? When I said sing, I don't mean like sing a song. What will I be doing with your song? I mean you singing to me while your legs are wide open in the air.
What? Is that what you want?
Not really, okay? I want you to be my queen. I love you. I just want you to come over and show to me that you love me too.
How I wish he has paid my bride price. Chinelo will not be making me feel jealous of this her secret admirer if the prince had married me already. Well, I love him. He knows the right things to say at any given time. He is the best man for me.
It's your careful. This has become embarrassment and a shameful thing to the entire land.
It's okay. News are spreading. The maiden who came to my place yesterday practically told me that we, the elders in council, are the problem in this land.
How are we the problem in this land?
We are not doing what we are supposed to be doing, Ichiokeke.
What are we supposed to be doing that Nze Akunubi has not done? We have a useless man as a king. And he's the one everyone should be blaming.
Ichiokeke, you just mentioned Nze Akunubi. I wonder if we, the elders in council, are doing or acting the same way Nze Akunubi is acting. Do you think the king will remain the same?
This is a medicine that will heal you. Take and drink. That was my voice telling me to drink.
There is a mystic woman tormenting your life. I am saying it. Why don't you want to answer this simple question so that I can unmask who she is?
Jeku, there is no mystic woman anywhere. Who is this woman? What does she want from me?
Maybe she is the spirit of your late grandmother, your chi, or even the spirit of your mother.
Someone who is connected to me by blood will not be doing that to me.
Not when the person is a spirit.
Why would you say that? She's not a spirit. Because she did not disappear. I saw her walking away before I started hearing my voice, telling me to take the medicine that will save me.
I thought I told you she's a mystic woman. Yes. But you denied everything. You denied that there was even any woman at all. You see, now she has started to feed you with strange concoction. Maybe thinking she's a spirit now that is trying to kill you.
Why would she kill me? I've never taken advantage of anyone.
I want you to be my queen. I love you. I just want you to come over and show to me that you love me too.
If that is all he wants, to make me his queen, then he will have it today.
I can see you're dressed to go and see him. So, you really want to introduce me to him?
So you now want to know my man? Show me yours, and I will show you mine.
Is approaching, but when you reason I'm finished. If I know you gonna say to run every woman's dream.
I have already made up my mind that I will abandon you and allow you to face the wrath of the gods.
And still you're here. Why can't you leave me alone?
I am here because it dawned on me that I have never warned you eyeball to eyeball. I mean, face to face. And that is what I have come to do.
Nze Akanobi, if you want to advise someone, you should advise yourself. Leave me alone!
Chidebere, I understand you are suffering from youthful exuberance. And that is why you are doing all these things you are doing. But I have come to ask you to advise yourself. Stop all this nonsense you are doing with the maidens of our land before it becomes too late. Stop.
Greetings, Nze.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of my land. How are you?
I'm fine, Nze.
You are here to see the prince, right?
Yes, Nze.
There is something about you that so many of the maidens in your circle do not have. You are actually very unique, brought from a very decent family. Why do you want to waste all that on a man who is not even worth it?
It is the prince of Umudiani we're talking about, Nze.
Of course I know we are talking about the prince. And I am in a position to confirm to you that he is not worthy of a maiden like you. I need you to go home, living with the values that you have learnt. Be very useful to your family.
But when you reason I'm finished.
He is just the best. I cannot tell Ada about him until we have perfected everything. I cannot wait to be the queen of this land.
Zakonobi has never liked my face since the day I was born. In fact, if he sees me with a sweet plate of food, he wants to pour sand in it. I don't know what I did to that man.
Have you spoken to your father about this?
I have. But that man is so powerful, I feel he has manipulated my father.
How is that possible? I know he's not an ordinary man, but how can he manipulate a whole king of Umudian?
Same way I'm surprised we're both standing here talking about a man who has done nothing for Umudian kingdom. Let's just forget about him, huh? Go inside and enjoy ourselves, yeah? Come.
Wait, my prince.
What do you mean wait? Let's go inside and enjoy ourselves.
Wait.
Yeah?
You cannot say you do not know me. I am the maiden with the prince. I'm here to see the prince, and you can't hold me here.
It's for your own good you leave this palace right now.
Why are you trying so hard to get me angry? I want to see the prince.
Trust me, Mary. You do not want to go in there.
Why? The prince will be glad to see me.
What will you say if I tell you I'm beginning to get tired of this relationship?
Why will you say so, my prince?
Why won't I say so? When you're resisting me with everything you have.
Is it because I seek to understand what we are doing before I allow you into the woman in me? You're telling me this?
Don't you know you can actually cage me?
if you allow me enjoy the woman in you, in return, you will enjoy the man in me. And both the man in me and the woman in you will be happy and
You better leave.
What is going on here?
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings to you too. What is going on?
I'm here to see my prince, but he won't let me. My princess, is something wrong? Is my prince okay?
Of course. He's okay. Come in.
Thank you.
My princess, listen to me before you allow her in.
We'll talk about that later.
Thank you, my princess.
The only reason I will not slap you is because you turned out to be good. But unfortunately, your good is not good enough for me. Now get out!
Did you just say that to me?
The Prince of Umudiana just made a clear statement and you're asking me what?
Did I do anything wrong, my prince? I finally gave you what you've always wanted. If what I've given you is not enough, we can even go in now and continue or reschedule.
Listen to me. I'm a very violent man. Don't make me push you.
Ada.
Chinelo.
My prince.
What are you doing here? How did you get in here? Who let you in? Huh?
What are you doing with my sister? Adobe. What are you doing with my man?
Your what?
So you knew who he was all along.
I don't know what I'm thinking. Did you tell me the man you...
Do not damage anything there. Oh. Don't spoil my thing.
You were going after? Did you tell me the man we went up?
The forces that watch over this palace will rise one day and cut you into pieces. Continue.
I have to leave this house. Or maybe leave Umudiani.
Have you seen how useless you are? Have you seen how useless you are? A job you're hired to do, you cannot do well. And now you think you can advise me?
My prince in the well-kept history of Umudiani. They have never been a royal blood like you. Isn't that supposed to bother you?
Is that supposed to be an insult? Is it?
My prince, men have survived all things, but we have never seen a man who survived a maiden who went naked before Waliamuman placed the curse on him. You are pushing the maidens of this land to that point.
Is that your plan? You were supposed to be my God, my protector. But now you intend to educate the maidens on how to kill me.
Nobody's trying to kill you, Chidebere. You're only trying to kill yourself. Find a woman and make her your wife.
You now address me by my name. I know your game plan, and I will turn you off.
Where is he?
The same madness I'm trying to prevent is the same madness you have allowed to consume you. Go find out yourself.
I'm not even going to allow them see me. Once the sun goes down, I'll travel to UGEZU and Nam to go be with Agbomma. Useless sisters will never break me.
Can somebody tell me exactly what is going on in my house?
Oh, Father, you're back. It's actually nothing. Just two maidens. I mean, two sisters. Love mix, love jam, romance, cluster. you know how it goes.
Are you sure you are not raving mad? So at your age, you are fighting over a man that is not in your league. When you stand before a mirror, do you think you have the looks of a queen? My son will not marry you. Do not tell me that you were so foolish enough to think that a prince will stoop to the level of liking your kind. You were just subject of pleasure to him. He never liked you. He will never, ever like you. And before I throw both of you into the dungeon for destruction of property, I want you to leave the palace and never return. Do not let me repeat myself. Foolish maidens.
When the wicked is on the throne.
I do not know why you are allowing this to happen in this palace.
It is not right to say that I allowed him to happen, my princess. I tried talking some sense into him, but we know the prince doesn't listen.
He is the prince, I know. But you are his age mate, and you can talk to him.
I do talk, my princess, and I will continue. But I'm beginning to feel his Agu is the reason behind all this. And I think he needs to appease the Agu for him to start thinking like the prince of Umudiana.
What does that mean?
We are betrayed by the hands that's supposed to save us. Kingdom, Umudiani kingdom. Our maidens have been defied. Umudiani kingdom. Umudiani kingdom. The king and the prince. Umudiani kingdom. Umudiani Cameroon. Umudiani kingdom. Umudiani kingdom. Umudiani kingdom.
Wait! Answer me. Who are you? Wait!
I was going to check my fishing nets when my instinct told me to come see my friend. I believe and I feel you have met your mistake woman. Is that the case, Obiora?
I think I've met her before.
Where? Is she here as we speak? Is she in your compound? Obiora.
She's not here. But I dreamt of her last night. I think I've met you before. I've met you somewhere before.
Obiora, where did you meet her? What was her name at that time? If you see, Obiora, if you can give me this information, I can help you unravel a mystic way of life, or I don't know, I can help you unravel her through the help of Afa. I can.
Nzenzakonobi, you are not welcome here. In fact, you have never been welcomed here. So do me a favor and get out of my palace.
Onyeze, must we repeat this same thing every other day? The ancient Ofo of Omodiane is domiciled in this compound as we speak. Wherever that Ofo is domiciled is the Obi of our ancestors. You cannot ask a man to get out of his father's Obi.
Then if you must be here, you must learn how to speak to the king as if you recognize him as the custodian of that Ofo. You are daring me, Nzenzakonobi.
I am not daring you, Onyeze. I am only trying to make you act like the custodian of that Ofo.
And who told you that I'm not acting like one? Why do you choose to come with different words that provokes me all the time?
I am sorry, but I heard there was a fight in this palace yesterday.
And what is your business if there's any fight that erupts in the land? The land of Umudiana is a land of war. If there is fight that erupts anywhere in the land, it is natural. Do not read useless meaning into it.
Oh yes, the people of Umudiana already have different interpretations of what actually happened. Why are you hiding it?
Get out.
Onyeze, if I could challenge the king, I would ask him to call his son to order.
Ichiokeke, asking the king to call his son to order cannot be interpreted as challenge.
You are right, Ichiokaf. But in this land, you know the type of king we have. If you tell him anything that his spirit does not accept, it becomes a challenge.
Okay, Ichiokeke, let me ask you. Are we going to sit and do nothing?
Let's proceed to the palace. When we get there, you are the one to speak.
What? Why will you say that? Why will I be the one to speak? Why not you?
Sister, let us eat. Sister.
So at your age, you are fighting over a man that is not in your league. When you stand before a mirror, do you think you have the looks of a queen? My son will not marry you. Do not tell me that you were so foolish enough to think that a prince will stoop to the level of liking your kind. You were just subject of pleasure to him. He never liked you. He will never, ever like you. And before I throw both of you into the dungeon for destruction of property, I want you to leave the palace and never return. Do not let me repeat myself.
No get option, rather to say yes, I do. Ono ya, sugar, oku ya, honey, ina ya wenesia.
Sister.
Chinel.
What is wrong with you? Let us eat.
I'm not hungry.
Why? Why won't you eat? Why? Sister.
What is this? Huh?
Prince.
What is this? What?
Prince, is everything okay?
What are you doing here and how come you're my body?
My prince, I enjoyed every bit of you.
What are you talking about? What are you doing here?
I do not understand. Did you have a nightmare?
Yes, a terrible one at that. And you are in it, lying on my chest. Please, get up.
Prince, you must be joking.
Hey, what are you doing? Leave my... Get out now. Just get out. Get out. Get out.
Hey, Prince, are you
I
okay?
said get out. Are you questioning the prince?
No, my prince, I'm
Then get out.
Ijiri kwete solu ya, onwere ka o si gwa gị ya, o jiri sọkasị ya gị arụ. Ọnụ ya, sugar, okwu ya, honey, ma ị na-ezigbo anya ọfụma. Ifo na ọ bụ nwa eze, isi west ya, sugar.
Keep on. Keep on.
My daughter! I have this feeling that she took a very deadly herb. She wants to kill herself. Let's go, my FB. I can't lose my daughter. I can't lose my daughter. Fast. I can't lose my daughter. Let's go.
Fine. You'll be fine. Stop crying. Don't worry. You'll be fine. Let's go.
Help me.
You'll be fine.
Please, don't eat. You'll be fine.
Adora, eat it for your mother. Eat it for your mother. Okay.
Eat.
Ada, chew it, Ada. Chew it for your mother. Ada, please. Ada, please. Ada.
I don't understand where you're going.
My prince, where I'm going is the established rules of our ancestor, which says that the person whose agu is to be tamed must lead the way.
Okay, Nabo. Are you by this argument saying I'm suffering from agu?
There is no other valid explanation to this, my prince. Agu is the problem that you have. My prince, your agu is out to disgrace and destroy you in Umudiana kingdom. I've even discussed with Nzenza Konobi. He agreed to assist in taming your agu. So the only problem remaining is for you to lead the way, so we can find a solution to this problem. Please, I just want to help.
You've not even started running. You've not started running. I'm going to hunt you out of this kingdom. You look at the prince and you say that Agu is tormenting him. Agu, torment your prince.
Adora, I want you to tell me the truth. Are you pregnant?
No. I am not with child.
Then why?
He thinks I will let him destroy my daughter. No! He will answer for this.
Mama, what is going on?
Where are you going with a prince? I am going to the palace to meet the prince and ask him, what has my daughter done wrong? What has she done wrong to deserve this kind of treatment?
The prince?
Yes. He came to me and he deceived me. He made me to believe him that he's going to marry my daughter. I am going to finish him.
No. Mama,
let me go and finish him.
Mama, please, this is not a good decision. Please, don't go. Please,
he deceived me. He deceived me. The prince deceived me. And he used my daughter. I used my daughter. The prince deceived me. He deceived me. The prince deceived me. The prince deceived me. He deceived me. My own daughter.
So, this is how you lost the baby? Just like that?
After he rejected me, I was so heartbroken that I cried all night. The next morning, I was bleeding. I almost died.
I'm so sorry that I wasn't there for you when you needed me. Why are you protecting this man? Who is this man that did this to you?
Greetings, beautiful maiden.
Greetings, my prince.
How are you?
Very well, my prince.
And what is your name, beautiful maiden?
My name is Udumelue, my prince.
Gods of our land! What a beautiful name. You see, your beautiful name has qualified you to sit before kings in a royal banquet. Please, walk with the prince.
The Prince of Umudiani is a very heartless man.
Now you understand why I wanted to go to that palace. With that pistol to destroy his head. By now, his head would have been scattered everywhere.
Mama, and his useless father would have ordered them to skin you alive. You don't need to go through such pain.
But why? Why did he do this to us? Could it be our fault? Is it that if he approaches us, we lose our dignity simply because he is the prince of this land?
Adora, do not make the mistake of blaming yourself. Yes, he is the prince of this land. But he was supposed to protect us and not to hurt us.
May the gods of this land forgive me. Because I'm going to lay a curse on another woman's son. I can no longer take it. I can no longer take it. His latter days on earth will be filled with agony and sorrow. Pains! He will cry! And he would not see anyone to comfort him. So shall it be.
He said...
Father, Udumelo is the flesh of my flesh and the bone of my bone. For the first time, I found a maiden who completes me. The gods did this for me. And now I am ready to kill a cow for my chi. For the first time in my life.
Son, to be more sincere with you, I've never seen you in this form before. This must be different.
Very different, Father. Her beauty is not so outspoken, but she has this aura that makes men forget their names. I love her, Father.
I wish you well, son.
You should, Father. When I'm ready with the cow for my chi, I'll let you know.
Very well then.
Thank you, Father.
This is exactly what my father denied me. He caged me with the rules of all royalties, that I was not able to enjoy my youth. My son must enjoy himself.
No one has ever entered my compound with his back. Who are you and what are you doing in my place?
I am Obuefi Ubama Nampu. I am the chief priest of Umudian.
Ah. You're welcome, Obuefi. I am not a titled man. And I do not have any business with the shrine of Umudiani. Why are you here?
Obiora!
What's going on? You even know my name?
Obiora, when you were born, your father killed a cow to register you in the Okuku of your family. That Okuku is connected to Ajan of Umudiani. By that sacred registration, you are known and you are blessed.
Ah, thank you. Thank you, Ezemo. I was on my way out, but please sit down. Let me offer you kola nut as the Ezemo of my land.
I am not here for kola nut. Obiora, you return to your homeland. Yet, you refuse to show yourself to your people. May I know why?
Ezemo, I live a very private life. In fact, I have just one friend who has been trying to lure me to live that kind of lifestyle, but I've not decided yet. I'm a very quiet person.
Obiora, there is a king in this land. A king who is the custodian of the offer of Umudiani. You are a partaker of that offer. You should visit him and demand to be blessed with that offer. You need that blessing for the manifestation that is coming.
Ezemo, I don't know what you mean. I am not ready to receive any blessing from an evil king who cannot even call his own son to order.
Do as I say, great son of the soil. As long as the gods have not condemned him, we should not condemn him. Make out time. Go and pay him homage.
You should not have stopped my mother. You should have allowed her to go and break his head.
The useless prince will pay for his sins someday. Your innocent mother should not be allowed to be involved.
He made a fool of me. He made a fool of my mother. I just wish
Adora! He has not made a fool of any of us. He only made a fool of himself. And I know someday the gods will punish him one way or the other. Don't worry.
He say,
don't just bother.
The gods should punish him. He needs to pay for the pain he caused me.
It would be foolish of me to approach Ogbuefi in real life and ask him if he was the one who appeared in my dream. He surely would not know anything about the dream. What will I do now?
My prince.
I hope they're doing a good job at the farm. Or maybe I should fire them and get a new set of people.
Why, my prince? They are doing a wonderful work. I don't even know how to thank you.
You want to thank me for not doing the hard work?
You know that cannot be sustained. I am a maiden of Umudiani, and there is no how I will not work.
You are not just any maiden. You're the one who has captured the heart of the prince. People should serve you.
I won't argue, my prince.
You are the one the prince have come to love. Look at me. The sun shines in your eyes. I have never seen that in any maiden.
Obiora, the son of the soil. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I heard you were home, and I was wondering why you have not bothered to come and pay homage.
To who exactly? To the man who has continued to bring pain to Umudiani or another.
How dare you call me a bringer of pain?
I do not lie, Your Majesty. You are not a good king, And your reign has continued to bring untold hardship to the people and land of Umudiani. I am telling you this because I know you are going to kill me. And I came prepared to die, Your Majesty. But truth must be told.
How dare you talk to me like a commoner?
Do not hurt him, father.
Umudiani kingdom, yo, hallelujah. Umudiani kingdom, our maidens have been defiled. Umudiani kingdom, Umudiani kingdom, the king and the prince.
Wait. Wait. Answer me. Who are you? Please, can you stop? Stop. Who are you? Why are you tormenting my life? Who are you, please? And why have you been tormenting me?
Have I really been tormenting you?
You?
This is very strange. So you have been dreaming about the princess of Umudiani all this while. Yet you did not know.
You might be right when you refer to her as a mystic woman.
That cannot be. Princess Madiche of Umudiani Kingdom can be argued to be the most humble princess in Nollywood. She is filled with overdose of human compassion. And it will be so much bad for me to qualify her as a mystic woman.
So what do you make of all of this? How can she be appearing in my dream without even knowing about it?
That is the same way you will realize that the chief priest is not aware that she is visiting you in your dreams. This whole thing is becoming mystical to me. And I don't know what to do. So what are you going to do about it?
Hey. My prince, please wait. You know I've not done this before. Why don't you wait till we get married? Please.
But I'm not a stranger. You're in my room, on my bed. I'm going to be your husband. And we're going to make plenty of babies. Eh? Let's get to work. Eh? Relax. I know, I understand you're afraid, eh? I'll be gentle. Thank you.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
I know. I am not here to see him.
So who?
You. I'm here to see you, my princess. You can help me. That is, if you want.
I am not supernatural. I have no powers. I can't explain the dream. So I do not have answers to what you're looking for.
Even so, Your beauty is extraordinary. Princess, I could have sworn by the gods that you are a goddess.
Sorry to disappoint you. I am human.
Ah, Princess, no disappointment. Of all the things in this moment, disappointment isn't one of them.
We have the best palm wine in the palace. Why don't you want me to offer you a drink?
Princess, by the gods, whatever you offer me, I will drink. By the gods, I will.
I'll be right back.
I'm waiting.
Obiora, I am not a boy, okay? I know the difference between looking at someone and staring at someone.
Okay.
Hmm?
What does that mean now?
Ah! It is written all over you. Ah! Obiora. Eh? You are beginning to like the princess. Eh?
You qualified her as the best. Yes. Is anything wrong with your friend developing interest?
I never said so. Eh? I never said so. But think of it. First, you see her in your dreams. And now, you met with her physically. And you like her. This is not ordinary.
Now, I need to tell you something.
Joko.
Meeting her has ended the mystic angle you introduced. You introduced. Yes. And now I know who she is. And I think I'm beginning to feel she's someone I should be with. Yes.
Go and get me wine. Hey, go and get me wine.
Joko, I'm not just getting you wine. I'm giving you a keg.
I'm ready.
Keg.
I am ready.
Hey. Wait.
Finally.
My prince,
Yes.
I have to go now. My mother.
I'm sure she will be excited to know that you spent your night with the prince of the land.
Haven't you had enough?
I can never have enough of you. Come. There's a new style I want to show you.
Please, I'm tired.
My goodness. You remind me of the jester that used to be with my father.
Really?
That man used to make me laugh so much. You're just like him.
I'm just telling the truth. You know, people can be very strange.
You're right.
You see how beautiful you look when you laugh.
Oh, there you go again with the flattering.
No, I'm just saying it the way I say it.
Okay, if you say so. Well, thank you for the wonderful sightseeing.
I'm glad you had fun.
Yes, I did. Why don't you sit so I could get you something?
Oh no, no. I would have to be on my way now. I thought I should walk you home.
I'll start missing you when you leave. It's okay, it's fine. I know you have to. So tell me, when am I seeing you again?
I do not understand you anymore. How can you just disappear for days without telling anyone? Was it an emergency? Talk to me, is everything alright?
Of course it's not.
I hope it's not about the prince.
Obi, stop. I've told you I have nothing to do with the prince. I went to my mother's village to get some foodstuffs. You worry too much.
Thank the gods. I actually thought it's because of the prince. Look, there is something I need to tell you about him.
See, stop
talking about the prince. I have nothing to do with him. I've told you this before.
Okay, if you say so.
Yes, I said so. You worry too much. Let's go. Obi, let's go.
You no get option, not there to say yes, I do. Onu ya, Ushuga, Oku ya, honey. Dina ya wenesia. Before now,
He's from this kingdom, but he lived in Oka, where he mastered his blacksmithing. Yes, trust me, he is a very nice young boy. You will like him. Well behaved. It's just... Ada? Adora! Adora, where are you going to? What have I said? I've not said anything wrong. That young man is a nice...
See, it's either you're completely senseless or you're deaf and dumb. What is your problem? Why can you not understand when the maiden has explained herself? Why?
Why are you being so harsh on me?
Oh, maybe I should say it plainly. I do not like your face. I do not like you, and I will never like you. So please get out of my sight.
Am I that bad? She don't like my face.
Sister, please eat a little so you can take the herbs. Sister. Sister, you cannot do this to yourself because of a man. You have not been feeding well for days. That is what the medicine woman said.
Chinelo, you will not understand what I'm going through. I'm deeply hurt. I resisted that fool. I never wanted to do this.
It's okay.
But Letta foolishly gave him what he kept asking for. Even on my way in, that good man, Nzeakonobi, tried to stop me, but I did not listen to him. Now, that fool has taken my sister.
It's okay.
And I...
I have already decided that you will never provoke me again. Your blood will not be on my hands.
As if you have not tried to kill me before, UGEZU.J. Ponder on the things I have said so far. Are they not the truth?
Why are you here?
Well, Your Majesty, I am here because young women of this kingdom are no longer getting married because of your son. Even young men of this kingdom, they are no longer interested in marrying any of the maidens of this land because one way or the other, it appears as if your son has actually defied all of them. On a similar note, even our young men are not able to find any maiden they can make their wives in all kingdoms around here, all because of your son.
Even the married men are no longer able to impregnate their wives because of my son. Bring all the problems in Umudian and heap them on my son. That's the only thing that makes you happy.
UGEZU.J, why are you sounding this way? Nwokenabo, the son of Mbonu Gonabo, who works with your son as the chief guard, actually got bothered and started to make inquiries on what the problem is. That the agbo of your son is the problem, and he pleaded with your son. to tame his abu so that the problem can be solved. Instead of your son leading the process that will tame his abu, he pursued Nwokenabo out of this palace.
Why are you telling me? If the prince fired him, so he remains fired.
Onyeze, Nwokenabo is not actually the issue here. The issue here is your son who is misbehaving. When will he tame his abu? When?
Get out.
I know my father took some bags of money from you in the past. But I do not know what he did with that money. But considering the fact that we're together,
My princess, I know what exactly he did with that money. Yes, but I have forgotten about it. Losing some bags of money will not do me anything. So forget it, all right?
Forget it?
Yes, forget it.
What would you like to eat? You know I cook.
You have been qualified as the best, so I have no doubt. Whatever you offer me is what I will eat.
No, I want you to decide.
My princess, I'm not going to dabble into your activities and duties. You own the kitchen. Whatever you cook is what I'll eat.
Okay, you win. Sit here and wait while I go cook you something to eat.
I'm here. The best indeed, by every definition. The best.
Ezemo, you asked me to go pay homage to the king, knowing fully well that the woman in my dreams is the princess. Why did you not tell me? Was it your plan to make me fall for her? What's all of this?
You really believe I have an answer to that?
I don't just believe. I know you have answers. Give me answers.
I brought you food.
Love,
Yes.
no man has ever served me before.
Well, that's because you've never been loved. But now, I'm in your life. And I love you. I promise to make you happy forever.
Thank you.
Come and enjoy my food. Breakfast from the royal kitchen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's only one thing I made out from that dream.
chief priest doesn't know about the dream. Where then is this coming from?
My love. Thank you very much. But I have to go now. My mother will be worried about me.
You cannot be with the prince of the land and then bother yourself with your mother.
But she doesn't know about us. About you.
She will. When the time is right. But don't you trust me again?
Of course I do.
Relax. When the time is right, your mother will know about us.
Please.
Ichiokafor, I came back to my house last night, and my wife told me you came looking for me.
Oh, yes.
I am here this morning to find out if you have actually become man enough.
I do not understand what you mean by that. Am I not man enough?
Well, if you have become man enough, I believe that you should be partnering with me to challenge the evil that is now holding sway in Omodiana Kingdom. Show me that kingdom where evil is ruling without any challenge, and I will show you a kingdom where men are not men enough.
Zenzakonobi, this is one thing I don't like about you. And this is the reason the king doesn't want to work with you. Because you're too blunt, and it's not good.
It's okay, stop it, Ichie Okafor. Nzenzakonobi is finally here. Should we not be discussing about the upcoming Nigerian festival?
Now, how can we be discussing the Nigerian festival when he walked in here to insult me that I'm not man enough? That is an insult, and I will not take it.
Do not forget that I was here when it all started. He did not insult you. He never called you a woman. He made a statement, and I understand where he was going. So let us be talking about the upcoming festival.
Well, Ichiokafor, I am going to ignore you. Yes, because when we make the proverb of the leaking basket, the liar will always know we are talking about him.
Can you see it? Can you see that? He is now calling me a liar in my face.
Well, I have already decided that I will confront the king today so that we can activate preparation for the feast of Nzirani. If you are telling me now that you have become man enough, could you please volunteer for us to go together?
How can we possibly activate Nzirani festival when the king has not approved it? Is it possible?
The Nzirani festival, you must have to understand, is that sacred feast of our ancestors that brings blessings from the universe down to us. It is that blessing that will ensure fertility for humans and animals in Omodiane. Nzirani festival is that festival that opened the airways for peaceful air to come into our land. It is a super festival of our ancestors. Do you think that one man can hold it down?
It's been 2 days now. I've not set my eyes on my daughter.
The last time I asked her, she told me she went to your village at Ivitani. Maybe she has gone there again.
Really? She told you that? Oh, but why? Why? Why will my daughter just go without telling me why?
I don't like that at all. Why will Udumelo go to your place without telling you? Don't worry. We will confront her once she comes back, okay?
Oh, let me just go and check if she's...
No, look, the sun is setting already. What time will you get to Ivitani by this time? See what will happen. See what will happen. If we wait for her till night and she doesn't return, then tomorrow morning we'll go to Ivitani and look for her.
I just want her to be safe. Let me just go and check.
Udumelo will be fine.
If I had a coin for every time you walked into the palace uninvited, I would be far weightier than I am already.
Now get out. Your Majesty, is this all you are going to say?
I know you have nothing to say. So get out.
No. Onyeze, I asked you about our forthcoming Nzirani festival. I want to know what we are doing. Why have you not called for a meeting for us to discuss preparations? Why are we not putting modalities in place to have a festival that is very sacred and that will bring us blessings? What preparations have you put in place, Onyeze?
One thing that you will never acknowledge is the fact that I promote our people. We now have people on Umudiani that are paid to plan events. I've already engaged one of them, the best amongst them, to plan the event.
No, Onyeze. It is the festival of Nzirani that we are talking about. It is not one of those events you can contract out to people. It is the sacred festival whereby we connect to the spirit of fertility. It is that sacred festival of our land whereby we bring down all the positive energies from the universe that issue blessings to give us blessings. It is not something people can plan for us. Why are you speaking abomination with a lot of boldness?
I will not stomach your insult this time. Now get out before I do something I will regret. Keep going from one hut to another, inciting people against me. I still remain your king, and my son will rule over your children.
You see, the only reason I've decided to forgive you is because you are from my 8th grade meeting.
My prince.
You talk to me anyhow. I ignore you. But right here, right now, I'd like to let you know that there is no ago. I do not have any ago that needs to be tamed.
My prince, the maiden you deceived, the one you did not allow to leave the palaces,
is what? Why will you start something you cannot finish?
Where did they go wrong? What have they done that you have decided to destroy them one by one?
You're beginning to annoy me. You're beginning to annoy me! Why will you say nonsense about my woman?
You do not notice anything at all. Because you don't know anything. The woman you claim to love is with a child. And if she's truly your woman, do the needful and make her your wife.
Father, what is it? The worst has happened.
Can you calm down and tell me what the problem is?
Few days ago, Udumelu fell ill.
If she's sick, then look for a medicine man or woman to take care of that.
Father, Udumelu is with child. She's pregnant.
Is that supposed to be a problem? You told me you love her.
I loved her, but not for this. I'm not ready for this.
Chidebere, are you sure that something is not wrong with your head? You should be happy that the first woman you told me that you love is carrying your child.
I'm not ready to be a father. I don't want that child.
This is from Nigeri, the powerful Dibia of Ngume. Drink it. Drink all of it at once.
I do not understand. Why will a Dibia prepare medicine for me when I am not sick?
You're not sick, but you're carrying a royal seed. This medicine is not for you. It's for my royal seed. It needs to grow into a strong man. And it starts with a shot of Alikapo.
Satisfied?
Now listen to me. You're leaving this palace now. As you sleep tonight, I want you to wake up tomorrow and forget my face. We are done.
What?
You know, I wanted to keep you for another 1 month. Because I saw something in you I did not see in other maidens. But then, you tried to cage me with pregnancy. For that, we're done. Get out.
My prince.
I said get out!
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe you did this to me.
Who? Who are you talking about?
This man has killed me.
Dumelo, you are scaring me. What are you talking about? Who is this man? I thought you told me you have been going to your maternal home at Ivitani. What are you now talking about?
I'm sorry I lied to you, my best friend. I'm sorry.
I can still get
I lied to you because of this same man.
There you go again. Which man? Talk to me. Which man? Talk to me.
I can't take this.
You can't take what? What is it? What is it? Udumelo, can you stop this? What is wrong with you? Udumelo, please. Can you stop this? Udumelo, what is wrong with you?
Why are you a beast? Even the woman you claim to love, you also give her the same treatment.
Don't make any mistake of questioning my private life. You have no business with my private life. Don't!
Do you know I've lost count of how many times I've gone to Ajanyu Modiana to pray for you?
What? You dare mention my name to Ajani? Who asked you to do that?
Nobody needs to ask me, for it's my job to protect you. I have begged, pleaded to Ajani to forgive you, to have mercy upon your life. But from what I know now, you are irredeemable. I am going to Ajani. I am going to tell the deity that I, Mokenabu, I am going to wash my hands off you.
You're a big fool. You're a big fool to have ever mentioned my name before any deity.
What happened? What happened to you?
The prince gave me some concoction and asked me to take it at once.
The prince did what? What did he do? Dumelo.
Abi.
Dumelo.
I'm sorry.
Udumelo. Udumelo. Udumelo! Udumelo, please wake up! Wake up and take me to... Wake up! Udumelo, please. Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
That was the first maiden he ever said he loved. Then she became pregnant for him. Did I do right in helping him about the pregnancy? He said he is not ready. Forcing him to marry the maiden will destroy the freedom I want my son to enjoy. I am sure he will be ready soon. I will get a maiden who will bear him children.
Once more I announce myself. Nwokenabu, the son of Mbonu Ugonabu. I have always come here to pray for Chidebere, the prince of Umudiani. I have always pleaded that you give him more chance because I believe that he will change. But today, I wash my hands off him with this sacred sign of Ajani Umudiani. Because if I continue to stand with him, the arrow that will be sent to strike him will strike me. And it will be said that I am always with him. But I am not with him on Eke, not with him on Orie, not with him on Afo, not with him on War.
That my child has outgrown me is a lie. Nwama kaligo mubonto. For the okra can never outgrow the owner who planted it. No matter how tall the okra may decide to grow, the one who planted it can always bend it and do whatever he or she wants with it. Ezikuku of Umudiani has refused to call his son to order, and he has continued to desecrate the maidens of Umudiani, who are the future mothers of the warriors and the Umuadas of this kingdom. Finally, he has actually assisted his son in murdering one of them. That to me is an abomination. If there are gods in this land, if there are ancestors in this land, if there are positive energies that keep watch over Umudiani, I am asking all of you to rise, protect this kingdom. Do it before it becomes too late. I am asking you to do it on Eke Market Day. Do it on Orie Market Day. Do it on Afo. Do it on Nkwo. So shall it be. Can you start to explain exactly what happened to your father?
Iche, he just fell. He was about rising from his seat and he fell just like that.
Men who commit secret sins and cover them up will always succeed over a period of time. They can never succeed all the time. Are you not aware?
Iche, what secret sins do you speak of? My father and I are just men of Umudiani who do what men should do. We do not commit any secret sins.
I was on my own when the ministration came to me. I want you to swear on this offer. Take this offer and swear that you and your father have not committed the very zenith of sins.
She kept it from me. I tried to find out who the man is because Udumelu started to become distant. One whole month will pass and I will not see my friend. She will always tell me she went to her maternal home at Ivitane. I had my doubts, but I believed my friend. Then, suddenly, I saw her in tears. Then she started bleeding. Before she died, she told me the name of the man who did it. The man who got her pregnant and tried to abort it. The man who killed her. The man who killed my friend, Prince Chidebere of Umudiani.
What?
The prince killed Udumelu. The prince killed my friend. He killed her.
It is time. Yes, it is time.
I understand the pain. But I want you to be very strong. You need to put yourself together. The exit of a father can be very painful, I know. But this is not the end of the world.
Though I am not supposed to cry. I want my father. I want him to rise and not just be a father, but as a king to restore sanity. But he refused. He said his father caged him with all the rules of royalty, and his youth was denied. And he said he's not going to force his son into it. Now the gods have killed him for not rising and acting as a king. I know my mother in her grave will be ruling, seeing me cry, because I know if she was still alive, she would not cry.
Princess, you mean a king was against the rules of royalty? How then was he a king?
My father was never a king. He was a politician. The ancient Ofo of Umudiani. Since he became the custodian of it, he never touched it. Because he wasn't morally upright to touch it. I'm not happy at all.
You mean to tell me that your father never touched the ancient Ofo? How was he able to become king and rule over the people and the land?
Thank you. Thank you for coming at the right time to give me a shoulder to lean on. That's all I can say for now. Thank you.
Be strong. Be strong. Be strong.
There is an ancient festival in Umudiani called the Festival of Nzirane. It is actually an ancient festival of our forefathers that comes up every 7 years. During this festival, the one who sits as king over Umudiani must lift the ancient offer of Umudiani and pray for prosperity, pray for progress, and most importantly, pray for fertility of humans and animals in Umudiani.
Now that my father is dead, what are we supposed to do?
You are the one who he has presented as his successor. And it is not my intention to disturb that process. I still see you as his successor. That is why I am expecting you to move into his chamber. Bring out that ancient offer of our forefathers and stand in the place of your father as the king of Umudiani and make that prayer. After that, we will then settle down and solve the problem we have in our land.
According to the custom and tradition of Umudiani, anyone who kills a person must kill himself. Prince Chidebere, of all the things you are, you have also become a killer. So today, it's my honor to ask you to kill yourself.
Yes. You must kill yourself to appease the blood you took. You prepared what killed Udumelu. We have prepared what will kill you. And you must drink it before us.
You must stop this.
Stop this now!
He can't stop it for he knows the tradition of Umudiani. You must drink this before us.
Yes. We are prepared to make you drink it honorably and die. Read our lips. You must die today to appease the blood of Udumelu. Exactly.
Bagenwa.
Drink, my prince. Drink and die.
Drink and die! Drink and die! Drink and die!
I will not drink what will kill me. Never!
Drink and die! Drink and die! Drink and die! Drink and die!
Unfortunately, your remains will not even be buried in Umudiani. You are going to be thrown into the evil forest as the one who has killed another and be forgotten.
We are betrayed by the hands that's supposed to save us. The throne room is empty, no more loyalty, emptiness, evil thoughts. All goes yadi. When the wicked is on the throne, all goes yadi, no. When the evil is on the throne, all goes yadi. When the thought of evil is ruling, Umudiani kingdom, yo, hallelujah. Umudiani kingdom, our maidens have been defiled. Umudiani kingdom, Umudiani kingdom, the king and the
We have avenged the death of one of our own. We collected the sand that witnessed his death, and we have come to drop it at the sacred square of Umudiani kingdom to protect ourselves. His blood is on his head, for he killed another.
The gods have spoken, but their heart is hardened. The land has been desecrated. The maidens are living in fear.
My love,
Yes.
I think we should move into the palace. Sorry, my late father's compound.
Why should they do that, my love? You're now my wife. You should live with me here.
I know. But the palace is bigger than here.
Well, that's true.
You're my husband. The crown over my head. I now own that palace. You're my husband, and it has become yours.
The choice is actually yours. You may decide to live anywhere you want. You may decide to live in your house or where she has offered. I have come to give you this. This is the ancient offer of Umudiani. You are now the custodian of this offer. And anywhere you decide to live automatically becomes the Obi of our ancestors. Igwe.
Umudiani kingdom, yo, hallelujah. Umudiani kingdom, our maidens have been defiled. Umudiani kingdom, Umudiani kingdom, the king and the prince. Umudiani kingdom, Ogeni Kaimerun. Umudiani kingdom, Umudiani kingdom, Umudiani kingdom. The gods have spoken, but their heart is hardened.